Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel and happy Saturday. Wait, no, not Saturday, but happy Sunday, if not Monday. So I hope everyone is having a great day or a great night, depending on when you're watching this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Desiree. My channel name is Idesireewealth. What I wanted to do was do a cash stuffing video. So I did my budget by paycheck for the September 2nd paycheck, and I finally got it all completed, which you all see that video right here. Well, right here. And we need to cash stuff some money while we have some money before it all goes away on getting spent. So I haven't written my budget in my planner just yet, so it looks like this. And yeah, I'll get to it today, but not right now. I wanted to go ahead and get this cash stuffed first, and I'm just messing with this so the laptop won't go into standby mode. So as of Jasmine, look, don't you start with me. Yep, don't you even think about it. So as of, what's today's date? Today is the 20th. So as of the 20th, and I did have this written down, which I can't find. I was going to let you all know about my watch time hours. I do know for a fact as of this morning I was at 2,749 watch hours, so I don't have too many more to go. If you want to keep up with that, I do attempt to make a post on Instagram every morning, or whenever I do get the stats about it. So let me go ahead and put this planner to the side since I'm not using it. Jasmine, why you on my jacket? So I've already spent money from some of the categories, and instead of me counting everything out like I normally would, instead of me counting everything out like I normally would, I've already cashed up everything, and we're just going to pretty much do like a what's in my wallet, like a early what's in my wallet video. So we are going to start at the back. So instead of using this for snacks this time, I actually have $10 that I'm putting in this envelope for the car wash. And I just didn't have an envelope for it, so I decided to put it in snacks. Next, we have miscellaneous. This is what I spent so far, so I should have $18. Let's go ahead and see. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. And what I do so I won't kill my envelopes fast, and I also got these envelopes from Dreamy Budgets. I have my money kind of separated. That way when I put it in here, it's not like it's in a big pile. So it just makes this a little thinner. Next we have essentials. Essentials does not have anything since I did go ahead and get my prescriptions filled. Thank goodness for that. And I am going to put that tracker back in. When it comes to fun did not get anything this time. For gas does have $80. I haven't spent any just yet, so we have 20, 40, and then we have 60, 80. And like I said, I just kind of separate the two. That way the envelopes isn't bigger than what they need to be, and they kind of last for a long time. So let me just make that and make sure nothing closed on me. last but not least, we have spending. This is what I've spent so far. So started out with 60, spent 22, spent 4, spent 8, and I should have 26. And I think most of these are all ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is $10, and I have, at least I think it's $10. So we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have $10 in here. I have the rest of the cash in a different envelope. That way I'll just be able to get it when I need it. And I don't want this envelope to tear up on me since it is kind of fat. And when it comes to grub, I only budgeted for $60. There we go. I only budgeted for $60 and I've used all of that. And I only budgeted for $60 this time because remember that card that I lost? Yeah, I'm going to go shopping this weekend to use it when I go back home. My mother's birthday is the 26th, and I am going to hang out with her, not necessarily this weekend, but when I get off work Saturday, and I'll see her until I come back on, I think I come home Tuesday, I don't know. And last but not least, we have the S&C. So Salenthia and Cassie J does have a Etsy shop together, and I keep moving this because I want to make sure that the laptop doesn't go into standby mode on me. Okay, so all of this cash is the total $60, even though I've already had $10 set aside for this challenge. I'm adding 50 from the latest paycheck, and what I did was just get all the money out the bank. So I'm going to go through. I need to count this, make sure it does equal up to $50, and then I'll just color everything in since I finally got it to where it needs to be. So I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Did I say $50, $60? 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $60. So what I'll do is go ahead and get everything colored in, and we are still using yellow. Oh, I need to make, let's do a highlighter, yellow highlighter. So 5, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 3, 4, 2, 3, and 4. So okay, y'all, so now we have pretty much a copy of what I did yesterday, and I had to go back through because I don't think I saved this. So this is why we're seeing a replica of what happened in the video yesterday. I have everything colored in like normal. Hopefully, there we go, it shows a little better now. So everything is colored in, and we have completed another savings challenge for this month. Stay tuned for the next video, which will be me pretty much showing you all like I did last time, where I went to my Ally account and just showed where I added the money into Ally. So I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching. Jasmine, don't you stall, boy, she's starting. Let me go ahead and let the dog out, that way she can go do whatever she does, and I will see you all in another video. For the ones that I've been running playlists for, I've been helping 9 surviving, what? Yeah, that's right, surviving but thriving. I've been watching your playlists and a lot others. Y'all, as of today, which is 9/21, I have 3,777 watch hours. So I need about 200, is it 223 or 232 watch hours? I don't know. Somebody calculate that. Hold on. Okay, y'all, so I am back, and of course, as of today, which is 9/21/24, I need 223 watch hours to go before I'm able to get monetized. I'm going to go ahead and start making that second video now. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.